Let's make this beautiful centerpiece or budget-friendly arrangement. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne.
All right, Adorners, so welcome back and happy Easter if you're celebrating. We're going to make up this beautiful arrangement with a container of our choice, a block of styrofoam that we're going to cut, some pastel plastic Easter eggs, 2 floral stems with at least 6 or 7 flowers on each stem, and we are going to cut using a pair of wire cutters or a sharp pair of scissors. We're going to cut our flowers to place into our styrofoam. Actually, I just used the rest of the stem to put our Easter eggs on. I slid them all down into our styrofoam to make this beautiful arrangement, turning it clockwise as I go, like one stem turn, one stem turn.
Thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I'm your girlfriend, your auntie of lifestyle and decor. Please click like and subscribe. See you in the next video.